Okay, this device is called a hot wire strip heater or a line bender, and it is designed to heat up a narrow area of the acrylic so that we can bend it in an exact angle. The machine needs to be turned on and left to heat up. This black line is the element which heats up. It is protected a little bit by this red guard here. While the machine is heating up, we need to take our piece of acrylic, which you'll notice has got a white plastic film over it. This film needs to be removed. You can do this by scraping it with your fingernail. Peel away the white plastic covering. It can be a bit tricky to remove sometimes. So we're now left with an acrylic shape which looks a little bit like one of the characters from South Park. You'll notice that on this shape there's two little notches either side, and they indicate where we are going to heat the plastic so that we can bend it. The plastic is placed over the heating element, and you can see that the notches are lined up with this heating element. We have to wait a few minutes for it to soften on one side. When it's softened on one side, we then turn it over . Plastic's been turned over now, and we're softening the other side. If for some reason the plastic drops down into the heating area, it can be retrieved with these tongs. Be careful when you do this. It started to soften, and you can see that it is no longer straight. We still need to heat it a little bit more. When the plastic is soft enough, we're going to press it into this V block here so it is exactly at 90 degrees. The plastic's now soft enough, so we're going to press it into the block and hold it in place, with the tongs until it cools. This should only take 15 to 20 seconds or so. Be careful when handling the acrylic or the plastic because it will be hot. Once the plastic has sufficiently cooled, it will stay fixed at 90 degrees. And this is now the pointer for your calendar. If while you're working on this project and you burn yourself, you might need some garden peas to cool the burn. If you don't have some garden peas handy, you might have a cool pack. If you don't have a cool pack, then run your hand or whatever part of your body that has been burnt under the cold tap for as long as possible and let the teacher know that you've hurt yourself.